Hello! There was a survey done in early 2020 and it was found that the top programming language used worldwide was JavaScript. And it was also found that over 50% of those respondents use Node.js. So what is Node.js and why is it so popular? Well, simply put, Node.js is this environment on which JavaScript runs. Node.js is the engine on which Google Chrome runs. As for why it's so popular, well, it's open source, meaning that it's free, and it's cross-platform, which means that it's going to work on Apple, on Windows, on any of those distributions of Linux. And it's also really efficient, which is why companies like Uber, companies like eBay, PayPal, and even Netflix use Node.js to stream their services through mobile apps using Node.js. And this is why OdinSchool comes to you with a complete tutorial series that talks about the fundamentals of Node.js. This includes everything starting from the call stack to the callbacks, event loops, promises, asynchronous programming, the various modules, and command line arguments, and more. All of this will be touched upon in this tutorial series. So if you are somebody who's looking to learn backend development, or maybe you're already a web developer and you want to add Node.js to your stack, or maybe you're just a tech enthusiast looking to see how it looks on the server side of things, this tutorial series is for you. The links are in the description below. Also, if you haven't subscribed to OdinSchool, then please do, because we're going to be coming up with amazing tutorials just like these. So stay skilled and stay ahead.